Hi scholars, Miss Malloy here, and I'm going to help you through the tricky story problem from Friday. So before you listen to this, please read it to yourself at least 2 or 3 times. I'm going to read it one more time again. Bernice uses 8 rolls of purple ribbon and 9 rolls of green ribbon for a project. Each roll of purple ribbon has a length of 90 feet. Each roll of green ribbon has a length of 70 feet. What is the difference in the length between the amount of purple ribbon and the amount of green ribbon that Bernice used? Okay, so now I'm going to go through some of my jots. So she uses 8 rolls of purple ribbon and 9 rolls of green ribbon. Okay, now each. That means every single one of the rolls of purple ribbon is 90 feet. Again, every green ribbon has 70 feet. And it says, what is the difference? That word difference is telling me in my mind that I need to compare the length of the purple ribbon to the length of the green ribbon. So that's my BQ. Compare the total purple ribbon to the total green ribbon. I'm going to do my work over here. The important part of this is to compare the total purple ribbon to the total green ribbon. The reason I say that is because a big misconception in this problem is that sometimes friends just compare 90 to 70. 90 in this sentence, it says that every roll of purple ribbon has 90 feet. And here it's telling me Bernice uses 8 rolls of purple ribbon. So what I'm going to draw first are the 8 rolls of purple ribbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the 8 rolls of purple ribbon. And each of these rolls is 90 feet. So I'm going to put 7, 8. I'm going to put 90 feet inside of each of them. And the equation that's going to match this is 8 times 90. Another way we could write 90 is 8 times 9 tenths. So instead of putting the big number 90 in there, I'm going to put 9 tenths. 9 tenths, 9 tenths, 9 tenths, 9 tenths, 9 tenths, 9 tenths, 9 tenths. This is going to help me later when it comes to solving. So here is my rolls of purple, and this is the feet. Okay, so now I've represented my purple ribbon. So now I'm going to go and look at my green ribbon. The green ribbon, it's telling me that there's 9 rolls of green ribbon. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my 9 rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is the green rolls. And inside each of the green rolls, right here it tells me, is 70 feet. So again, the equation that I'm thinking is 9 times 70, which is also the same as 9 times 7 tenths. So instead of putting 70 inside each, I'm going to put 7 tenths. 7 tenths, 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 7 tenths. And I'm going to go back and label my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rolls and 7 feet in each. Okay, so now I have my purple rolls and my green rolls represented. I'm going to continue representing, and now at the end, I know I'm going to have to compare the total purple ribbon to the total green. So I'm just going to represent that with a tape diagram. Right now, I don't know which one's going to be more and which one's going to be less. So I'm just going to draw it out. I'm going to write more. I'm going to write less. And then I'm going to fill that in once I figure it out. So right now, I'm going to begin my skip count for my purple ribbon. I'm going to count by 9s because these are 9 tens. So first is 9 tens, then 18 tens, then 27 tens, then 36 tens, 45 tens, 54 tens, 63 tens, 72 tens. So 8 times 9 tens equals 72 tens. 72 tens is equal to 720. So my purple equals 720. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my skip count for my green rolls. So the first one, 7 tens. I'm going to do the same thing and use my tens. 14 tens, 21 tens, 28 tens, 35 tens, 42 tens, 49 tens, 56 tens, 63 tens. So 9 times 7 tens equals 63 tens. 63 tens is equal to 630. So my green is going to equal 630. So now I can fill in my tape diagram. I know that the purple, I'm going to put a P here, is more, and that's 720. The green is less, and that's 630. And I'm looking for right over here, which represents the difference. And how I'm going to figure out the difference is saying 720 minus 630 is going to equal my difference. So to do the final step over here, I'm going to use expanded notation. So 700 plus 20 plus 0, take away 600 plus 30 plus 0. So I'm going to start in my ones place. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 20 minus 30. I do not have enough to take away 30 from 20, so I need to regroup. I'm going to go into my hundredths place. I'm going to cross out my 700, and I'm going to turn that into 600. I'm going to take the 100 from the hundreds place and give it to the tens place. So 100 plus the 20 that's there now gives me 120 in my tens place. So 120 minus 30 equals 90. 600 minus 600 equals 0. So my answer is 90. So the difference between the purple ribbon and the green ribbon equals 90. The end.